Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you will fine, and I welcome you to the science class for class 8th. And today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, what is reproduction means? What is reproduction? So, reproduction is creating or making new life. Okay, creating new life, or we can say the producing young ones of own kind generation after generation. Okay, what is means own kind? Like rabbit will produce the rabbit only. Okay, he will not produce hen. Okay, he will not or she will not produce hen. They will not produce cow. Okay, they will produce the rabbit only. Okay, of their own kind. Okay, yes, what they are doing, they are creating new life. Okay, they are creating new life. Then again, when they will grow and they will when they will become adult, when they will become adult, they will make or they will create new other life. Okay, yes, so like this, from this they created the another one. And when they will grow and when they will become adult, they will create new life. Okay, so this become generation after generation. Okay, from first generation to second to third to fourth, and so on. Okay, yes, so why this reproduction is necessary? So you already have learned in class 6, okay, that reproduction is necessary for continuation of a species. Okay, continuation of species. Okay, yes, what does it mean? Suppose this is if this animal, okay, if this animal will not reproduce, okay, will not reproduce, then the rabbit will not be seen फर्दर. ओके, अगर ये रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं करेंगे तो फिर ये इनकी जो स्पीसीज है, रैबिट की जो स्पीसीज है, वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी और हमें फिर रैबिट देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. ओके, वैसे अगर सपोज हैंस जो है हैन अगर रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं करेंगे तो वो फिर हमें देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे, वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, जो भी एनिमल्स, जो भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हमारे आसपास दिख रहे हैं, उनमें रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, और ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स they show a feature that is called a reproduction. Okay, so this is necessary to continuation of their species. Okay, हाँ, अपनी species को बनाए रखने के लिए reproduction जरूरी होता है. Okay, yes. The next is mode of reproduction. Okay, so the reproduction can be asexual or it can be sexual reproduction. Okay, yes, so what happen in asexual, what happen in sexual? So in asexual, the reproduction or the new life come from a single parent. Okay, so if this is a single parent, so single parent only give to new life. Okay, yes, whereas in asexual, two parents are required. Okay, two living things are required to make a new life. Okay, yes, so when a male sperm, we can say, and female egg, when they combine, they form a zygote, and when this zygote develop further into a baby. Okay, yes, whereas suppose what is the example of like this human? Okay, when a male parent and female parent, they meet each other, and so they create a they make a new life, that is a baby. Okay, yes, but in case of many animals, okay, so in many plants, like if you take the example of rose plant. Okay, if you take the example of rose plant, okay, so this is the plant, and if you cut its stem and if you plant it in soil, so it will grow into a new plant. If you take the example of amoeba, okay, if you take the example of amoeba, so it will produce its from its single parent, it will divide into two baby amoeba. Okay, yes, two baby amoeba. Okay, yes, and you can see here. Okay, the this is the budding. Okay, yes, this this is done in the yeast. Okay, yes, so this yeast is producing a bud, and after this, when this bud becomes mature, इट डिटैच फ्रॉम दिस मेन बॉडी, ओके। ये मेन बॉडी से डिटैच हो जाता है, अलग हो जाता है, और ये फिर एक अलग ही यीस्ट का बॉडी बन जाता है, ओके। यस, तो इस तरह से दो तरीके के रिप्रोडक्शन होते हैं, एक असेक्सुअल हो गया, एक सेक्सुअल हो गया, ओके। सो फिर हम देखेंगे सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, ठीक है। सो हमने ऑलरेडी लर्न किया है कि सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में दो पेरेंट्स की ज़रूरत होती है, मेल female and male parents, okay। So the egg come from female and the sperm come from male parent, and when they combine, when they join together, they form a zygote, and this zygote later on develop into a embryo, that is later on develop into a baby, okay। Yes, so here two things are required, two parents are required, okay। Yes, but sometime what happen that some living organism, we can say some living organism, they produce directly to young one, okay, they directly produce to young one or baby, and some lay egg, okay। कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो डायरेक्टली बेबी को ही बर्थ देते हैं, जन्म देते हैं, ओके। और कुछ ऐसे होते हैं कि पहले एग बनाते हैं और फिर एग में से बेबी निकलता है, ओके। यस, यंग वन निकलता है, ठीक है। यस, सो जैसे कि लिजर्ड हो गया, जैसे कि अदर रेप्टाइल्स हो गया, जैसे कि हैन हो गया, ओके। यस, सो ये क्या करते हैं, दे ले एग, ओके, एंड दैट इज़ वाई दे आर कॉल्ड ओविपेरस, OVIPAROUS, oviparous, okay। Yes, and some animal which give directly birth to young one, okay, जो डायरेक्ट एक बेबी को जन्म देते हैं, ऐसे एनिमल्स को बोलते हैं विविपेरस, VIVIPAROUS, विविपेरस, okay। Yes, okay, so these are the oviparous and these are viviparous, okay। Yes, so here is a life cycle of butterfly, okay, monarch butterfly, how the life cycle happens in adult butterfly, okay। So first of all, the butterfly the lays egg on the leaves, okay, it lays egg on the leaves, okay, then these the young one of this butterfly, it come out from the egg, okay, and that is called the larva or caterpillar, okay, and then this caterpillar develop and later on grow and become pupa, okay। Yes, and then this pupa develop into a adult butterfly, okay, and this cycle goes on, okay। Yes, so this is the scene, okay। So that's all for today's, the remaining thing we will do in the next class, but here you have some questions, try to answer them, like why reproduction is essential, why living things need reproduction, what is sexual reproduction, what is asexual reproduction, and what are oviparous and what are viviparous, okay। Yes, so try to answer them. Thank you so much, keep studying, bye bye.